Guys, this is Saturday Prince, and you're watching Prince Media Global. Leo tumebarikiwa na mgeni kwa studio, not other than Christian Saxo. He'll be joining us soon. Atueleze jani yake ya music imekuwa aje. He's an instrumentalist, so atakuwa anatuelezea zaidi venye amekuwa akiendelea na mambo na music. He's here right here with us in studio. Karibu sana. You just come in, so yuko hapa na sisi. Ni habari sana ndugu yangu. Nice to have you kwa studio. Imekuwa siku mingi sana nikitaka tukutane kwa studio but haijawezekana, lakini leo Mungu ametuwezesha tuko hapa. So I think it's pleasure to have you here. Kuna wao viewers wanataka kujua, maybe you can tell them your name so that they can know you.
Hi viewers. My name is Christian Langat. I am a saxophonist. Yes, I'm in this studying music, basically studying how to play it.
Yeah. So this one is Christian Saxo, as you've heard. He's an instrumentalist, so leo atakuwa anakuambia the way alianza hii journey since akuwe mdogo to now. He's an upcoming artist, you are not wrong, or a musician. Yeah, so my first question is about your personal background. Ni nini ilikuinspire that you used to dance hii journey ya music?
So when I was a young person, high school, I was in high school that offered music. So one day I had Coco playing saxophone and still in form of one. So from there I nilipenda that sound and I wanted to produce that sound. So then I went to the music teacher and just enrolled in Papa.
And who inspired you?
Ilianza na mamangu. One day nikiwa class 1 she mentioned that I should do it. I didn't know that I would have to do it, but later on I just found my ways into playing it.
Maybe they know at what age did you start playing saxophone?
I started playing it in 2018. That's 7 years ago. At around secondary.
Okay.
Yeah, so secondary, yes. Not recent. Nikaanza 2018, but very well during COVID time. Now practice is seriously going.
Maybe if you can mention a musician who is an instrumentalist mwenye instrument seems to be like your mentor.
So there are three. There is one Kenny G. Anachezanga soprano sax, hii ni alto. Anachezanga inakonga straight. Huyo ni mmoja. Kuna mwingine anaitwa Gerald Olobrandt. Yes, he plays the same one as this. And also mentor wangu ama he's been lecturing us. Anaitwa Laka Wailaka.
Yeah, nice to hear that. So about musical journey, what are the challenges that you undergo as an instrumentalist?
Challenges equal. One I would want to say is that the industry sizing and the market sizes in Kenya, they are not versatile in this type of music. Yeah, pia wazazi, saa zingine some parents may or may not want to allow me to use at start, but once they see that inasaidia, yes, there's also that. Pia expenses are good, keep it, like to maintain it. Okay. It's not that cheap.
Yeah. Okay. So if you can remember, where was your first performing using the instruments?
My first performance was at one of my friends' concerts. I was part of their band.
Okay.
I think 2022. Just joined campus.
Okay, we are going to talk about creativity. How have you enhanced your performance? Even kama hata ni live performance, ama maybe mko na hizo bands, I know you have organized bands, unaenda mahali to play the instruments. How have you been enhancing your training?
I practice a lot. So it's for me to sound how I sound. Practice with wanga. So every now juu ya shule saa zingine is not every day but once I get the chance, I put in a lot of work.
Good. Yeah. Would you remember if you written a song and you do play saxophone at the same time? Have you ever? Because it seems like there's two things you cannot do at the same time.
You can do. So I've written a song, but it was for a class project. But it's something I am working on.
You put it in instrument.
Now, yes. So unajua kuna ile watu wanaipanga, wanaweka wazi. Sasa hiyo wingi unacheza. Play imagine the verse. So yeah. So there's a lot.
What about industry insights? Industry insights.
Industry insights.
Okay, about industry insights, what are the roles that saxophone play in
okay. So, currently the saxophone just adds flavor to the actual song. So it inakwanga pockets of here and there in the music, so that it makes it like better and nice. But also, many gospel artists out there are trying to use the sound of the saxophone in their music because it's growing and they want it.
Oh yeah. So about gear practice, what type of a saxophone do you use and when?
I use the alto sax. It's a Yamaha alto sax. It's a 400 series. It is a semi-professional one. Yeah. The gears I have right now, I'm using a Naitwa mouthpiece for Yamaha 4C mouthpiece. Yes, it's a gold-plated. Yeah, saxophone.
Various types. Okay. What are the message that you can give out to the young people who are playing saxophone? They're coming.
A good message I can give you guys is that continue putting practice, the efforts, the hard works, and don't worry, like and then also remember that it's a process. You don't just talk out from the low part to the better one. It's a process. So wait for your time, and it will be worth
everything will be okay. We know that in everything we do, there must be a mission for your future. What are your vision and vision?
My vision is actually to for someone to see me minister in this, like to go on a move out of whatever I do. So yes, with that, and also to make the world a better place through what I do. That's my vision. My vision would be to always sound better than I am today, tomorrow, now.
Yeah. Maybe viewers would wish to know if you do play another instrument apart from saxophone.
Yes, I play the piano. So I play the piano. I am also teaching myself the clarinet.
Okay. Yeah. So you are into music?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, tumekuwa na saxo. Is a student at Daystar University and I play saxophone. Today tumekuwa na hiyo bahati ya kumpata studio. I'm very much appreciative. So for now